Joint care for old dogs is amazing, but you gotta make a smart choice rather than getting scammed. Wanna know how? Let me tell you one thing. You're basically wasting your money if you buy these random joint care supplements from the market instead of actually buying joint care that is exact dosage and exact age. That's when I will show you what has helped my dog, and that's Daddy for Joint Care. That is probably the only pet brand in the UK to offer what your dog needs exactly, like the exact dosage, nothing more, nothing less. So what are you waiting on? Grab the flash sale right away before it's over.